The power steering warning light is a critical indicator that signals problems with your vehicle's steering assistance system. Understanding what this light means can prevent dangerous driving situations. Modern vehicles primarily use electric power steering, or EPS systems, which provide steering assistance through electric motors rather than hydraulic pressure. These systems are more efficient and integrate with advanced safety features. Older vehicles use hydraulic power steering systems that rely on pressurized fluid and a pump to provide steering assistance. While less common in new cars, many vehicles on the road still use this technology. The warning light behavior tells you about the severity of the problem. A solid light indicates a major system failure, a blinking light suggests intermittent issues, and an intermittent light points to sensor or electrical problems. For electric power steering systems, the most common cause of warning lights is steering angle sensor failure, accounting for 35% of cases. Torque sensor malfunctions cause 25%, while ECU communication errors account for 20%. Hydraulic power steering systems have different failure patterns. Low power steering fluid is the most common cause at 40% of cases, followed by pump failure at 25% and pressure sensor issues at 20%. Ignoring the power steering warning light can compromise your safety, especially in modern vehicles where the steering system integrates with advanced driver assistance systems. These safety features depend on proper steering function to operate correctly. When your power steering warning light comes on, safety is the top priority. Immediately reduce your speed and avoid highway driving, where steering effort is critical. Start with basic troubleshooting steps. For hydraulic power steering systems, check the fluid level in the reservoir. Low fluid is the most common cause of warning lights in older vehicles. Try the restart procedure. Turn off the engine completely, wait 30 seconds, then restart. This can reset temporary electronic glitches in modern electric power steering systems. If the warning light persists, professional diagnosis is required. Mechanics use OBD2 scanners to read specific error codes that pinpoint the exact problem in the steering system. Repair options vary based on the diagnosis. Sensor recalibration has a 95% success rate, while EPS motor replacement succeeds 90% of the time. ECU replacement has an 85% success rate. After repairs, calibration is often required. Modern electric power steering systems need their sensors recalibrated to ensure proper operation and safety system integration. Prevention is key to avoiding power steering problems. Regular maintenance, monthly fluid checks for hydraulic systems, and annual professional inspections can prevent most issues before they cause warning lights. A real-world example is the 2024 Honda Civic recall. A software glitch in the EPS control module caused intermittent warning lights in over 150,000 vehicles. The fix was a simple ECU software update, highlighting how modern steering issues often require software solutions rather than mechanical repairs. Remember, prioritize safety first. Try basic troubleshooting steps, but don't hesitate to seek professional help. Modern power steering systems are complex and often require specialized diagnostic equipment and software updates for proper repair.